Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm gonna be showing you how you can add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page, on Facebook obviously. Now it's very simple, so it's really fast too, so I want you to pay attention to this tutorial because it's gonna be quick. I've sent it multiple times, but yeah. What you need to do is to go to edit over here, scroll down, oh no, not that one. Go to these three buttons here, then you go to edit action button. And now what you need to do is to change this button, because I've already set it to like a website. Now I'm gonna set it to send WhatsApp message over here, and then go next. And then now you need to attach your WhatsApp phone number. So I need to go over to WhatsApp so I can know what my phone number is. Give me a bit. I forgot. Okay, my phone number is exactly as shown. Let me just remove these. Remove the country code, then send code, so that it will send a code to your phone. As you can see, I have the code now. I'm just gonna be writing it down. Save, and then it shall attach my WhatsApp account to this Facebook page. I think it has been attached now. As you can see, even the link WhatsApp account is gone from here. So if I go to viewing this as a visitor, as you can see, the WhatsApp button is now here. And in order to test it properly, I'm gonna go over to my main Facebook account and then head over to this, and as you can see, the WhatsApp button is now over here. If you click over that, it's gonna send me to my personal WhatsApp account, and then it's gonna open WhatsApp. So it's that simple. That is how you can add the WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.